In today's video, we will explore 7 innovative AI tools that can help you make a lot of money online. By harnessing these technologies, you can make informed decisions, save time, and ultimately increase your earnings. Understanding how to utilize these AI resources is crucial in today's fast-paced economy. Join us as we unpack each tool, highlighting their benefits and practical applications, ensuring you leave equipped with the knowledge to elevate your financial game. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your financial future. Tool number 1, Jasper AI. Jasper AI is revolutionizing the landscape of content creation, particularly for freelance writers seeking to enhance their services. By leveraging advanced natural language processing, Jasper can generate high-quality, engaging content quickly, allowing writers to focus on creativity and strategy. One of the standout benefits of using Jasper for blog monetization is its ability to produce SEO-optimized articles that attract more traffic, ultimately increasing revenue through ads and affiliate marketing. Key features of Jasper include its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and the ability to generate content in various tones and styles. However, while Jasper offers significant advantages, such as efficiency and consistency, there are some drawbacks to consider. The AI may occasionally produce content that lacks depth or requires extensive editing. Overall, Jasper AI serves as a powerful tool for freelance writers, enabling them to enhance their productivity and profitability while navigating the ever-evolving digital content landscape. Tool number 2, Copy AI. Copy AI is a powerful tool specifically designed to enhance marketing copy generation, making it an invaluable asset for businesses, particularly in e-commerce. By utilizing Copy AI, companies can significantly improve their product descriptions, crafting compelling and persuasive content that captures customer attention and drives sales. The platform's ability to generate engaging descriptions quickly allows businesses to maintain a consistent brand voice while saving time. Additionally, Copy AI holds great potential for email marketing services, enabling marketers to create personalized and impactful email campaigns that resonate with their audience, ultimately boosting conversion rates. However, while Copy AI offers numerous advantages, such as efficiency and creativity, there are some drawbacks to consider. The AI-generated content may sometimes lack the nuanced understanding of a brand's unique identity, requiring further refinement. Overall, Copy AI presents a valuable solution for businesses looking to enhance their marketing efforts, balancing the benefits of automation with the need for human touch in branding. Tool number 3, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is transforming the realm of customer service by providing businesses with innovative solutions to automate their support systems. By utilizing advanced natural language processing, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, offering instant responses and reducing wait times. This automation not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also allows support teams to focus on more complex issues, improving overall efficiency. Additionally, ChatGPT has significant potential for virtual assistant services, enabling companies to offer personalized assistance around the clock, guiding customers through processes and answering questions in real time. However, integrating ChatGPT into operations comes with its pros and cons. On the positive side, it can lead to cost savings and improved response times. Conversely, there may be challenges related to understanding nuanced customer queries and maintaining a human touch in interactions. Overall, ChatGPT presents a valuable opportunity for businesses to enhance their customer service capabilities while navigating the complexities of automation. Tool number 4, Grammarly. Grammarly extends far beyond basic grammar checking, offering a comprehensive suite of tools that significantly enhance proofreading and editing services. Its advanced algorithms not only identify grammatical errors, but also provide suggestions for style improvements, tone adjustments, and clarity enhancements, making it an essential resource for writers aiming for polished content. The importance of content quality cannot be overstated, as high-quality writing boosts credibility and fosters trust with readers, which is crucial in today's competitive landscape. However, while Grammarly offers numerous advantages such as real-time feedback and a user-friendly interface, there are some drawbacks to consider. For instance, reliance on the tool may lead to over-editing or a loss of personal voice, as writers might conform too closely to suggested changes. Additionally, Grammarly's premium features come at a cost, which may not be feasible for all users. Overall, Grammarly serves as a valuable ally for writers, enhancing their work while encouraging careful consideration of its recommendations. Tool number 5, Canva. Canva has revolutionized graphic design services with its AI-driven features, making it accessible for both professionals and novices alike. Users can easily create stunning visuals, from social media graphics to marketing materials, using a vast library of templates, images, and design elements. The platform's intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies the design process, allowing users to produce high-quality graphics without extensive design experience. Additionally, Canva presents exciting potential for creating print-on-demand products, enabling entrepreneurs to design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and posters that can be sold online. However, while Canva offers numerous advantages, such as affordability and ease of use, there are some drawbacks to consider. The limited customization options compared to professional design software may restrict more advanced users. Furthermore, reliance on templates can lead to a lack of originality in designs. Overall, Canva serves as a powerful tool for graphic design projects, balancing user-friendliness with the need for creative expression. Tool number 6, Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an innovative platform that simplifies video creation, making it an invaluable tool for businesses and content creators alike. By transforming text-based content into engaging videos, Lumen 5 allows users to easily produce professional-looking videos for marketing, social media, or educational purposes. Its user-friendly interface and AI-driven features enable users to select templates, add visuals, and incorporate music, streamlining the entire video production process. Additionally, Lumen 5 holds significant potential for monetizing a YouTube channel, as it helps creators generate high-quality content quickly, increasing their output and engagement with audiences. However, while Lumen 5 offers numerous advantages such as efficiency and accessibility, there are some drawbacks to consider. The platform may limit customization options for advanced users, and reliance on templates can sometimes result in a lack of uniqueness in videos. Overall, Lumen 5 serves as a powerful ally for video projects, balancing ease of use with the need for creative expression. Tool number 7, DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is a groundbreaking AI tool that excels in image generation, allowing users to create custom art and illustrations with remarkable ease. By simply inputting descriptive text prompts, DALL-E 2 can produce unique and imaginative visuals, making it an excellent resource for artists, marketers, and content creators looking to enhance their projects. The potential for selling digital art on various platforms is significant, as creators can leverage DALL-E 2 to generate eye-catching pieces that appeal to a wide audience, opening up new revenue streams. However, while DALL-E 2 offers numerous advantages such as rapid production and limitless creativity, there are some drawbacks to consider. The generated images may sometimes lack the depth and nuance of human-created art, and copyright concerns can arise regarding the ownership of AI-generated content. Overall, DALL-E 2 serves as a powerful tool for creative projects, providing a blend of innovation and artistic exploration while prompting important discussions about originality and ownership. To effectively harness the power of AI tools, it's essential to stay updated on the latest advancements in AI technology. The field is rapidly evolving, and keeping abreast of new features and capabilities can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. Additionally, consider combining multiple AI tools to create comprehensive solutions tailored to your specific needs. For instance, using a content generation tool alongside an editing software can streamline your workflow and improve the quality of your output. Moreover, the importance of learning and adapting to new tools cannot be overstated. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning, as this will enable you to leverage AI tools more effectively and stay ahead in your field. Participate in online courses, webinars, or community forums to deepen your understanding and share experiences with others. By following these practical tips, you can maximize the benefits of AI tools, ensuring they serve as valuable assets in your personal and professional endeavors. In this video, we explored the transformative impact of AI tools across various domains, emphasizing their potential to enhance productivity and creativity. Key takeaways include the importance of staying updated on advancements in AI technology, the benefits of combining multiple tools for comprehensive solutions, and the necessity of continuous learning to adapt to new innovations. By leveraging these insights, viewers can effectively utilize AI tools to streamline their workflows and achieve greater success in their projects. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more engaging content. Additionally, we invite you to explore related videos on our channel where you can dive deeper into specific AI tools and their applications. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.